Yeah, what do you think of this building?
Honestly, I like the architectural ancestry that goes on when creating such buildings like this.
Number 10, Message to Justice. We'll see when this arrives.
Living on my life. Staying by the shit. Down with the hood team. I love this city.
Well, you can't open it?
You don't have a lighter? Shoot.
It is fun.
Hello everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed that awesome video. I'm still sort of recovering from all the partying and stuff that we've been doing over here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed all this trip. Like, it's been so awesome being able to go out and meet new people and just dive right into the Czech culture, eating Czech food, going to Vietnamese pho places, because apparently that's a really hot take here in Prague. And anyways, thanks for watching. God bless.